Where are they? Bucket with no dirt in it. Good operator. Second, Harrison, below Harrison, 86. Wait for the boss to get back so I can get up. The inspector just left. He seen the camera, wouldn't leave either. They're all hams. I told Paul you haven't quit working since you seen the camera.
I guess so.
Which way is he going?
Ain't had one at work.
Okay, I guess we're starting to film.
When it gets over, then I'll point at you and let him look all down.
Okay. Let's go over there with him. Well, there comes a sheep herder. Oh, he's really hamming it. Well, Randy just got bumped. Seniority prevails. Off the tractor and into the trench. Hey!
How much did that get? Killed him. 2 miles apart.
It's because he's seen the camera.
You mean tell me you can hear it?
Yeah. I didn't tell you to do that. I says, look at me so I could do it. Yeah, but you got all the people looking at you coming up the street. Wayne wants a copy.
Huh?
Got him picking his nose.
Wayne?
Yeah. He'll cover up, I'll tell you.
Let's say it again.
Let's see that green. Huh? That's for sure.
Did you ever find that thing? Did you ever find that other thing?
They'll start laughing. I'll say, yeah, everybody did. Look at this chick. There's that same chick. Oh, God.
Hey, Wayne. Wayne. Wait. Hey. You putting on weight? You putting on weight? They just look like it.
Everybody's been talking about that. Yeah, everybody. All the girls even.
Is that his belly or is that the bucket swinging there?
Wait, here. Come here.
Hey, that is his belly. I was wondering, wait a minute, where you at? I want to see your face when I ask you this one.
Ask me what?
Are you putting on weight?
Just call me Chubs.
Hey,
Back out of here.
I was wondering what was swinging your belly of the bucket. There's another one.
Hey, take a good look at that women. Get that chick right here in that red car.
Before, you want to get me killed? You want to get me in trouble. And I'll get blamed for it. Well, I better go. Got enough film.
Well, later.
Okay.
Hey, you want to put the back over here to the back tail? Yeah.
Not till I move. That ain't too heavy for you, is it?
Be ready to put one of those barricades while you sneak in there. That's not that one, that's not that one, hey. Hey, back up, go in.
Oh, here, you better not break the back stick. You gonna shoot Paul or who? You? Now what are you gonna say? Now what excuse? Oh, not again, eh? Look at the fire.
Well, you know this is 8 right over here.
I know it. That's what I'm looking at.
Now what?
Well, look at the 5, right? The duck.
Yeah.
Look at the duck he's going to take, man.
That's
Watch.
what you want. That's
Look where I put that 5 ball on. Hurry. Get that 5 right where I left it. And he takes it.
Takes it.
Can't believe it. Look at that, man. Did you get that? Did you get that?
Yeah.
Damn, I don't believe it.
That's chicken shit.
Look at this, man. Look at this setup.
Look at this setup.
What's wrong with me?
Mr. Rail's got an excuse today. He's been out playing with a snowblower all day.
Pushing snow.
Shit your head.
Watch this one, Pam.
Oh, right
That's
there.
it.
Right there.
Look at it. They're all sitting right in the pocket. He wants to tell me he's playing shape. Straight in or bang?
Hey, game I play anymore.
I didn't hear nothing.
Not too
Oh, I like that lead. That's a heck of a lead. Did you get that lead, Pam?
Mm-hmm.
Well, he tells me about his lead, how good they are.
Well, make one boo.
Made another one because he wasn't planning that hit of mine. What'd you hit mine for?
Give you a shot.
See how chicken shit he is, man? Look at that. I can't even. Look at that, it did go. Did you get that, man? That was one heck of a cut.
One heck of a cut.
I can't believe I'm missing one. Whoa. Oh, that's not too bad.
Can't believe the leaves he's leaving like that.
He likes my leaves, man.
Come and eat.
That ought to bang.
Sure. Double bang. Look at
Don't
that.
go, don't go.
Dirty fool.
30 foot. Straight in. shoots it.
Oh, no, don't slow that 3 in.
Shit.
Hey, that 3's really going places. You know that 3 might go?
Right this side.
Yeah, but you can't use my balls. See, told you.
Somebody's trying to break them out.
You didn't believe me.
Shit.
I told you. Oh, Robert, did you see that roll out of that pocket?
No.
Where's that 3 going?
Right there by you.
By me? Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Now you're
son
gonna
of a
say you was gonna use that? All over but the counting now.
Eyes are getting bad.
His eyes are getting bad, ma'am. Little combo. Oh, man.
Don't miss nothing. Just watch this shit. This guy is sloppy. I mean, he leaves. He left. He sold out until I broke the ball out. Now he's taking his time.
Look at this. Look at that
Messed
shape
up
over
there.
there.
Good shape. Look at this one.
Beautiful shape.
Where's he going? Where are you going with
Go
this?
to that corner, or should I just?
Which corner? This one?
Look it over.
Okay.
We'll just go all the way up. Right here? That's what I said.
Okay.
God, that would be kind of hard to settle like that for a long time.
Oh, roll. That's right.
Come and eat, right?
Oh, Bob's there to fight on. Must be him. Lightweight.
That goes. Then good, man.
Yeah, if it goes. You're not too good if you're saying, oh, it's going all right. Look at, get that, Pam. This time.
No, go, please.
He's played shape for me, though, that's for sure. Oh, no.
Dan's got to go eat, so we're going to cut the game short here.
Watch this
Don't
drop
chase that ball.
Pam. Oh, no.
Now, that's the 6th hit.
Mom, I'll give you
You've
so
been
many
in here all the time?
I've been in here 3 times and just haven't hit that.
Ah, look at this.
Hit it.
You want to get the film movies or what?
I could probably do better than that.
Don't come in here telling stories then.
Miss
That
Rael's
green
getting
ball
upset.
has been hit 9 times.
Uh-oh. Told ya.
Oh, that's right. Get out of the way.
Where's it going?
Banker.
Banker. Banker, he said.
Holy shit.
Oh,
Just
no.
gotta bank it.
Oh.
Oh, that's beautiful. Just stay there. Can I shoot it
Where
where
that
that
stops?
stops? There it is.
Told you there was. Not bad. Not bad.
That's a little bit of trick shooting there.
Yeah, this is gonna hurt here.
Yeah, that's straight in. He might make it this time.
No, that roll. That's the side roll.
What side? What side? Oh, you're right. You're right.
Are you playing straight or back?
That is bad.
That's it.
Bad shooting, it kissed it.
Oh,
That's bad shit.
Oh.
I can't believe
look
that.
at that.
That green ball's been hit
I'm gonna
20
try it
times.
back.
You know what that camera does to some guys? Watch him. Look what the camera does. Look.
Oh!
See what the camera does? Right here, Pam. Right here. Look. Now here is a tough shot.
I don't know if he can make that or not.
That's straight in.
Right here.
Uh-oh.
He didn't do it, but he's gonna bank it. Let's see what he does on his next shot. He's nervous.
You know I make these. Oh.
Ooh, you almost made it, I'll say.
You really came close.
Does he really gotta go eat, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just cut it short.
No excuses. Oh, he's making one. Ah, did you see that? Oh my God. See, this is the
How
second.
would you like to shoot
Hey,
this?
that's a foul.
Go ahead.
Okay. Right here.
I've got somebody's right where I want it. Woo! No excuses this game. Whoa!
It's coming back. Now stop right there. Right there. There. Good.
All right, right back here to the side.
Okay, watch it. Watch it. Look at this. That camera shakes me up.
Funny date.
You want to do it right, see the back? Put the coin.
Oh, I got it. It don't matter.
Get the racker. Get the racker.
Yeah, give the boy a chance, give the boy a chance.
Hey, step back. I don't want that lip split.
Okay, let's get off that deal. Enough of that shit. Whoa, shit, good break.
Ah,
Here. Here.
I got my stick.
Shoot. What do you want?
Not what I want. You're the one shooting.
You're gonna be the one that loses.
This guy likes cameras too.
Wasn't hard enough.
That guy likes cameras too, fam. Gets shook up a little bit when he sees the camera. I'll let you have them little ones then.
You lose anyway, so it don't matter. Really.
I want that. This is tough. You're gonna miss it. Is that a good hit?
I doubt it. You go ahead and take it.
Yeah, it looked good.
Yeah, I know. I see another ball move.
Look good. Well, they both.
Okay, let's remember this on record here.
I hit
We'll
them
check
both-
that out the next time
I hit them
around.
both together. That's why it was a good hit.
We'll check it out the next time around.
Hey, he's crying already. Want to see the 8?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's the 8?
Ooh, damn good try.
Ben,
Damn good.
see this guy crying already on film? Huh? Pam, I want you to get his lips when he cries though. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
You know, if you get, wait till he gets on this side, I want a really good view. So that, them lips. At least he can look back and say, oh, I remember when they were split. See? Yeah, he shook up. Again? Look at that, messing with mine.
Just trying to get him out of my way.
Gee, Christmas.
Just don't miss, that's all I can say.
Don't miss.
A lot of green, Jesus Christ. That was farther out than I thought you'd get it
Well,
at.
that camera kind of bothered me.
Must.
Okay, now.
Wonder what happened if I was in the movies. Yeah, them cameras shake up some guys. I don't think I could ever be a movie star. Even if I...
Mom, look what I made by myself.
Mm-hmm.
I know what's wrong is I haven't got my jewelry on. You know what it is, don't you? Huh?
Yeah, we know what it is.
Combo?
Yeah. Watch the 8, watch the 8. You see that?
Yeah, that 8 was hit after.
That's right. I startled you, didn't I?
That was fair. Ah, don't jump on that couch. That a girl. You come in there to see Paul cry too? He'll cry. Look at that. He's messing with mine every shot.
Just trying to get him out of my way.
You know, that's a holler. That camera will pick you up. Oh, no, what a lead. What a lead.
What a shot.
Gone.
This guy's good.
Told you it was gone.
You want to take it?
Take what?
Surprise.
Did you take theirs? Oh, look at that. Them cameras shake up a lot of guys, I'll tell you that right now. They bother. Oh, no. Look at this, would you?
Just don't miss.
Don't miss? Okay. Oh, anybody but, oh. I don't know what to tell you, really. Why is there so many balls left on the table? I want to know. Huh? A little angle like that? Oh, that is just perfect. How'd that work out like that? Huh? Look at
It
Pat.
ain't over with yet. It ain't over with yet. Ain't over till about
Can I
8
open
seconds.
this? No.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Yeah,
Did you see that?
that's too bad.
I like to count them balls when he was,
Mama,
when that 8 went in.
Mama.
Yeah, he's getting a little shook though. He's turning the stick. See, he's turning the stick. He's little. Oh no, don't do that. Oh, that's a little tough, but I think it could go.
Lucking out, lucking out.
Could go, Pam. It's a little tight, but it'll go. Oh, that would have gone too. Did you see that 7 go?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Told you.
No, he got a red one in.
I gotta help him.
He's got a red one
He
in.
needs some help.
Ah, man, who is that guy? Who is that guy? Who the heck is he?
He's gonna take that the way you laugh. I don't think he planned that one.
Oh, shoot. Who is that guy? Jesus.
Now he's in trouble.
Who is he?
He's in trouble. I know him. This is what gets him, that green. That green gets him. Oh, see? Every time. Oh, look what he did. What
They
a
got
lead.
2 more, huh, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we'll just come back down the table. I've scratched on these before, but I won't this time. Oh, no.
Oh, yeah. Nice shoot.
Now you are.
Okay,
What?
now here's where you gotta watch it. You're on.
There was 7 balls on that table, and I was after the 8. What happened? Still after it.
Oh, don't do that. Oh, shit. Look at that lead.
Is it gone?
Okay, right here.
Where's the cue ball going is what I want to
You
know.
watch and find out.
Okay, thank you, I'll watch it. It is now, I want to see it. Let's see them lips again. Yep, I got it. I can't tell how good that is. It should be recording. You know that light don't come on now.
Because you got the light.
Shit, so it goes in the foot.
Get through.
Hey.
Telephone. Oh, this isn't taken.
Oh.
I'm just trying to set.
I seen that bright light and I thought, what the heck?
No, I'm just trying to set it.
Right.
Hi.
Movie star, that's where I am.
Oh, okay.
And you can play it right back.
Okay. Probably
Yeah.
best go Washington, huh? Probably best go Washington, huh?
You gotta really zero it in. You can zero it in real good, or
Can, huh?
yeah, it's pretty bright though, isn't it?
I think it's right.
Here comes Grace.
That's a good line, huh?
Yeah.
Hmm?
That Ann coming?
Yeah. Grace is coming in the front door.
Okay.
We'll close that gate for her.
I don't know if it's.
Hi, Phil.
All right.
Hey.
Hi, Red.
Say hi to your brother.
Hi, Red.
You wanted a picture?
Okay. That was it, Red.
Oh, take it off.
Apple.
Take it off.
Okay.
Take your coat off.
Okay, baby.
Well, smile now.
Okay, rat.
Now, you think you look better now?
Hi. My hair too messy.
Hi, Kipper. What's wrong with you?
Watch out, where you going? Watch it where you're walking. Watch it. Get over here. Get over here. Yeah, let's take your coat off.
Get over there, Kipper, by Grandpa.
That thing's
Pretty
falling.
cold.
Poor Bugsy.
Kipper.
He won't make it tonight. Better get him taken care Let's hear call.
Oh, Teresa put that. Come here, let's wipe your snotty nose.
Let's see.
He's got balls in his
Over the hand, over the hand. I know, but you gotta get your hand down. Here. One in there too, okay.
She puts.
Let's see if I got another one here. Poor Bussy. You don't.
Here. There's another one. Just play ball.
Only get her. How can I get Ann?
Betty, stay right there.
Say cheese, Ann. Ann.
Throw the ball at me.
That Ann's kind of a ham. I can hear that.
Get over
Grace,
there,
what do you got to say? You think you look better now?
Hurrah.
You look better now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to take Ann a picture, yeah.
Ann,
Have Ann a picture. You take
There
her.
you go.
where'd Kipper go?
Right there on the couch.
Kipper, can you sing?
$164.
What are you going to
For
sing?
her?
For that too, for negative.
Jeez.
So it's been 200 something, $200.
Well,
All he's gotta do is put the one.
well, slow down. Go back there a little bit.
I didn't watch the dog.
Go back here.
Here, Pumpkin, now go step on
Where's the other little girl?
Jennifer, get away. You got each other blocked.
This way so they can see you. Move over this way. Now look over there.
Turn
Yeah.
around and look at, I'm
Yeah,
afraid.
leave your clothes
Say
on.
hi.
Say, say something.
Bye,
Bye.
What's your name?
Jennifer.
Jennifer, who's that other guy with you?
Kippy.
Kippy.
Who's the one with his finger in his mouth?
Uh-oh.
Take your finger out of your mouth.
Oh, no, Kipper.
That's gonna be terrible.
Jennifer, you told me you'd dance for me. Let's see that dance now.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see that dance you're going to do for me.
Oh, yeah. Dad never got how to do.
Back down.
Just do a little dance.
Remember you told me you'd dance for me?
Do your little bass dance.
Fancy.
I don't remember.
You don't remember it now? Do the finger dance.
I don't remember.
You told me on the phone you'd dance for me. Remember? I says, if I come over and take your picture, will you dance
Come
for
on
me?
in,
You
Phil,
said
and
yes.
Tell Grace to get in here.
Okay.
Kipper, can you sing?
Yeah.
Okay, let me hear you. Come on. Sing me a song.
Not playing that song.
Can you dance?
Sing 3 Blind Mice now.
Oh, he knows
Here's a
that.
singer. Here's a ham.
Come over here and sing Three Blind Mice.
Hurry.
Show him the move.
Well, sing 3 Blind Mice and we'll look for
Three
them.
Blind Mice.
Tell Grandpa to sing with you. He'll help you.
Come on. Come on, sit over here and let's sing Three Blind Mice. Don't go step on me.
Hurry, go sit with Grandpa for a minute.
Hurry, you're wasting
Hurry,
time.
hurry.
Kipper.
We're
Hurry.
on a film. Come here.
Lola wanted to come too, so I had to get her.
Well, why didn't you go to
Well,
your
she's gotta go home.
She does?
Yeah, I'm gonna call.
Come here and let's sing Three
Y'all
Blind
go
Mice.
sit with
Come
Grandpa.
on.
Lola, what's your name?
Lola.
Lola what?
Lola Beasley.
Where do you live?
Right there in that house.
Right
Don't go
next
step on
door?
Bessie.
Do you know how to dance?
Dance, Kipper.
Oh boy, she knows how to dance.
How to dance.
Look at that, Jennifer. Let's see you do that.
Bessie over there, Andy.
Look at. Oh, that's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Right here.
Can you do that, Jennifer?
I don't think so.
Let's see you. Try. Try it.
Step on Bessie.
Oh yeah, you know how.
There, now you're doing it.
Now you're doing the bad dance.
Oh yeah.
Now you're doing it.
That's out.
Yeah, very good.
I want yours.
Don't fall on Buster. You're too close to. Okay, that's enough. Kipper, you're getting hit, Buster.
About gone.
Go over by. Okay, now you gonna sing a quick song?
You gonna sing Three Blind Mice?
Where is he?
Okay.
Sing ABC.
Where
Sing the ABC.
Where to Lola? Yeah? Okay.
Well, get over.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC.
Get over that way a little bit. Get over that way just a little bit.
Sing to me.
10.
2, 3, 4.
No.
Watch out for Buster.
Okay, do it.
Lola.
Get over here
Lola.
this way.
Get over that way so you don't hit Buster.
Get over by the telephone.
here.
There. I can get all of you in it.
She'll get flustered.
Not right in front though. Get over that there. Right there.
Turn around.
You're making it tough. What's going on now? Nothing?
I don't know.
Oh.
Okay, I got the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Uh-oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, that's enough.
She lost.
Grace, you coming in here again?
You still taking?
Yeah. Give me a cheese, Ann. I want to see the teeth. I didn't get you in here hardly at all. Ann. Well, look this way. Look this way. When I get her, she cusses at me.
What are we doing here? Now what are we
She's
doing
gonna avoid that
Watch
boy
out.
hitting.
What are we doing here?
You got her.
Nothing?
Come here. Jennifer, don't step over there. Dog food.
You can go through there, Ann.
All right, you don't have it on, do you?
Uh-uh.
All right, don't lie.
He lies a lot.
I know what you'll do.
Jeff. Theresa, come here.
Watch out.
Y'all come on. Don't.
We better hurry so you can get ready to go.
Oh, fish run.
Come and get in this so we go. Come here, Theresa. I'm wasting film. Get over there. Come here.
You've
Where's
already
Jeff?
been on. Come on.
So where's Jeff?
He's coming. You see over there.
Watch the dog.
Walk over by your mother and dad. Where you going, Grat? Uh-oh.
Come
Okay.
back here.
You don't want to get any more film?
Get back here. Come on.
Okay. Woo-hoo-ah.
Don't you sneak away.
Turn around. Say cheese. Kipper. Kipper. Cheese.
Cheese.
You gonna cheese it, Grace?
Huh?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Jeff.
Jeff, get in here.
Daddy.
Come here. Hey, you look
The
good.
best you've ever looked.
All right.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, you look better with the bag on. You know I'm just teasing you, Jeff. Turn around, give me a smile. Give me a cheese. Oh, you make cheeseburgers?
No.
He's right here.
Okay.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna have to adjust this. Give me a. You won't give me a song or a dance or anything, huh? How come? I like to joke on this while I'm on it too. I'll show you why. You won't dance?
No.
Or sing? Stand up a minute then.
I guess I can do that.
Yeah, you look good, Will, for you. You look just as good as when you left.
When I left where? Arms?
The friendly SP. Home when you left this boardy, huh?
Yeah, I don't think.
I hear you got a big raise
Yeah,
on your return.
36 cents
36 cents.
a month. That's quite a bit.
What are you gonna buy with that? Cadillac? Caribbean Cruise.
Well, I guess, unless they've gone up in price.
I don't think it's been taken. Yeah, it has. No, it's just starting, Will. It hasn't been taken.
Oh, it hasn't been taken.
No, we'll start over. Dang it, that's too bad. That kind of ruined that. You want to stand up again?
Want me to stand?
You don't want to dance again, huh?
No, I don't think so.
How about a cruise?
Caribbean cruise?
Caribbean cruise with that big raise you got, huh?
Yeah.
How much?
36 cents.
36 cents.
Yeah, 36 cents a month.
Well, that's a big deal. That SP's real good to you, aren't they? Okay, well.
Light 300, that great big one,
I'll rig that up for extra light for the evenings.
Oh yeah. Well, this here, I'm just trying this. Yeah, it's taken. There we're going now. Now I'll just see what happens.
yeah, it's working now.
Do a little adjusting. It will, yeah. Give me a.
Give you a minute.
Get up, give me a little dance, will you, John? He'll do it. That was great.
I set mine on the tripod New Year's Eve. Just left it running.
Okay.
Number 2 says he knows how to treat a woman and how...
We're ready. Tosh, I'm not going to hold you.
Now, what was you telling me you did to people?
I don't do anything really.
Huh?
Cindy used to do that when she was younger. You're phony.
Trying to throw
the blame on me.
What do you do?
We don't do anything wrong anymore.
Cindy, get over there.
Let it go over
Well, get over there with her.
Come over here. You'll never have another picture with me in 45 years. I don't want to. I'm going to leave my hand.
Okay, both of you dance.
No.
Come on.
Cindy showed your dad what you used to do in the car.
Yeah, show me, Cindy.
You're the one that used to do it, not me. You're another Sharon, blame it on me. Okay.
I believe. Okay, I want to back it and get a long shot. Okay. Tasha, do you dance? Sing me a song then.
No.
Why?
No.
Okay. How come I can't see him?
I could kick it. Hey, Cody, what's that? Sit on that.
Come back in here, Randy.
Okay. Sit down and I'll
Come back
sit
in here.
Why?
You want to take a picture of me?
So I can get it working now.
Come on, don't do that.
Cody, you guys keep messing around.
You see my big head? Oh, see my finger?
You can see your funny face too.
Okay.
I can't see it.
Wait. Wait.
Lift me up. Randy, lift me up. Wait.
Go home.
They cut down.
Tell Paul I'm not waiting forever. For heaven's sake, you
Okay.
know.
Get in here. He's not waiting forever. Oh.
Go tell him to come here. I got this going. Get off the stools. Get off. Cody.
It's your fault. You told me to keep him.
Oh, I didn't have the phone.
Look at Grandpa, hold it.
I seen your car
Look
over
at
there.
Grandpa, take a picture of
How
it.
long he's going.
Whoops.
What have you been drinking, Kimberly?
You sure have it.
Wave to Grandpa.
Wave at Grandpa.
Kim,
Wave at Grandpa.
look. Wave to me. Wave to me. Oh, boy. Okay, now dance.
You gonna show me your belly? Show Grandpa your belly.
Let's see. Ooh, get back so I can see your belly.
Now show him your belly. Stand up.
Oh, look at that big belly.
Look at the belly.
Yeah, stay away from that. Just don't even get out there, both of you.
Get down, Cody.
Okay, Kim. Don't, Cody.
No. Tomorrow morning, night.
Show your belly. Show him Grandpa
I
your
want
belly.
a close picture.
Look, show him your belly. Don't chill.
Oh, what a funny belly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, Cody. No, show Grandpa.
Get your belly, Cody. Oh, 3 of them. Boy, you're skinny.
Hey.
Cody.
Okay, that's...
Show Grandpa. Show your belly.
Okay, Kimmy, pull down your shirt now. Knock out so she will.
I don't care. I don't have
Let's get down there.
shit, you wanna put something? Oh, God. Get out from underneath the right.
Run them on television?
Yep. I might have to adjust this, Charlie. Only thing is, I want you to, I don't want you to freeze up though, I want you to see if it's going. Okay, you're ready for action.
Well, let her go.
Let her go?
Yeah.
Okay, show me one of them good dances you used to do. Whoops, wait a minute, I gotta get over here.
What?
I gotta see them legs move on that good dance you used to do down at the railroad. Let's see that dance. Pretty good, Charlie. Still can handle it.
Huh?
That's all right.
Oh, man. Who are you going to show them to?
Everybody, I'm going to go take I'm going to Hollywood and show these.
And remember that kid.
Starting. Should be going now. Let me just.
Think it's on the go now?
Yeah, I think we're about ready there. Let me adjust this down a little bit, get it cleared up.
You're taking the picture now.
I like to ask everybody if they'll sing or dance, but you won't do nothing. So I'll just make it. I'll make it quick for you then.
Charlie Salazar, I couldn't do that.
43 years old
Yeah,
today. There's the birthday girl.
No, get the birthday.
Let's hear you sing, you guys.
Happy birthday to you.
No, Steve, take the camera off.
Here's the proud mama.
Get that off me.
Arr.
Here's the aunt over here.
Everybody loves the camera.
Really. Jason, stop, Jeremy. Where's Mom from?
That's a pretty cake.
Looks good.
Here's Rail's pool hall.
Yeah, they just quit playing just because you come in.
As you can see, all the balls fell off the table.
You can see who's going to track.
Hey, one more game there.
Now this is, hey, get it.
Wait a minute now.
You ready? Okay, this is giving the old man a break. I'm racking him because his back's getting sore.
How many y'all won?
He won about 2 out of 10. Okay, we're just giving him a break here and let him.
That's all Ray can do to hold the stick up anymore.
Yeah.
Tell them who that is, though. Tell him it's Paul, then they'll know.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're going to see them all but one go into pocket.
All but one.
Oh, look at the 8. Look at the 8. Look at the 8. Look at the 8. Oh, no.
Whoa, he only, this is a one-shot game here.
Did you point out that table real good, Steve? Show him that 8 ball. Where is that 8?
See, the 8 ball went right inside of here. We're going to try give Ray another try here.
Here, let's see it again.
You should have told me I could hardly hold the stick up.
All right, now watch him again. Now that last time was a sloppy shot. If you want to know the truth.
Oh, look out again! Oh, it was going.
You almost hit me in the hip with that.
Scared
This time the 8 ball made it to the table, right there.
Okay, now you watch this run here.
Did you see that 8 about go in? That deuce got in front of it.
Okay, looks like he's going to run the table this time. Paul's on a streak.
I hate to make the old man feel bad here, but oh,
Whoop.
corner at a time.
How about the 14? Look at that, 14.
Oh no.
Dad, Stephen Ray.
That was kind of neat. You got
Now if we can get his head to quit swelling on that 8-ball break, we'd be able to shoot some pole.
I only won 6 games before you got here.
Oh, shoot, not 120. Boy, you hungry?
No. Oh, weird. It's big enough. Dad.
Oh, no.
Stephen Ray.
Okay, now you got it rolling? Okay, you see these
Okay,
balls
Ray's
up here
gonna-
now? This is 8-ball man right here.
Ray's gonna tear loose now and throw the table.
He's just taking it easy on me earlier.
Yeah, he's on a roll.
Oh, don't kiss that. Oh, no. He could be in trouble
That
here.
hurt me.
He could be in trouble.
Gotta pull a fancy one here. Okay, I'm gonna try the 10-ball corner.
Just watch you hit that 13 first here. Oops. Oops. Oh, 9. I'm sorry about that. Oh, don't leave me like that. Excuse me.
It looks like it's all over now.
Yeah. That's good if he knows how to say
Not
goodnight.
yet. Did you
Oh,
Did you hear a call on that? Goodness gracious.
Is that going to hit the 8-ball or is that going to go straight in?
That's gonna hit the 8-ball. Oh, it's all over.
Good position.
It's all over. It's all over.
Ain't too good a lead there, oh, is it there, Steve?
Perfect lead.
That's a good shot there.
Oh, no.
Excellent position, excellent.
Oh, no, not again.
We did it.
Oh, again?
Made up for the big loss up.
What you got to say? Big spotty over here.
Give him a chance, give him a chance.
The winner.
You take a picture for now.
Cindy, you
Cindy,
gotta
it's
be
your
only
birthday.
22.
got me.
Well,
Look at them gray hairs. They were in on her right
no,
there.
don't.
I'm
You're looking in the wrong place. Oh, that's right. They shine, don't they?
Now, Grandma, get out of here. I pulled most of them out. Yeah, there's man. No, want a piece of cake? Nice. Don't you? What have you been doing? Nothing.
She good?
There's a camera. Ooh,
You wanna
turn
see the
around.
camera?
Turn around. Look at
See
yourself.
yourself. Say hi.
This is Mandy, right?
Yeah.
She was one found under a rock.
No.
Jason.
This is Kathy. No. Lori?
She's holding her tongue.
Them birds are about the size of a seagull, but they got an 8-foot wingspan.
Oh, yeah?
Are these your kitties?
You have to run down a hill to get going.
We'll
see ya.
Huh?
Okay, goodbye, birthday girl.
What happened? See ya.
Happy birthday.
Thanks. Are you 7 years old? Come on. Jeremy, see you later, Cindy.
Give Grandma a kiss.
Bye, you guys. Thanks, guys.
You're going. Don't get smart. No.
Bye, Jane. Bye.
Happy
See you tomorrow.
birthday.
See you later, Cindy.
We'll see you later.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Where's that other little rug?
Shoots 15. About the middle of the ball. Ooh. Close.
Goodbye.
She's smiling. Is that turning, Cindy? It isn't? guy's another Jason. Or is that Jeremy? Is that him shivering? I was going to say that's another Jason. Holler to him. Holler to him. Holler to him. What a... Turn it on. Okay, I'll turn it on. Where is it? We better get Mama over there too. Grandma. Where they at? Oh, there she is. There's Jason's swimming teacher. Where's she at? Where's she at? Can't find her. She sees me, she's showing off now. Where's Connie's grandkids? Where?
She's right there.
Going now. Where's Kim? Is that her with her face underwater? Right there, just coming up. I can see mine's good.